Welcome to the viewers of the Best Reviews channel. Today, we're taking a focused look at 5 smart and tech-forward helmets. No comparisons, just clear feature-focused breakdowns. Let's get into it. Number 5. Shoei GT-Air 3. It emphasizes refined aerodynamics and improved shell shaping, with attention to noise control for long rides. Ventilation has been upgraded for better airflow on extended journeys, and Shoei includes the QSV2 internal sunshield for quick transitions between bright and shaded conditions. The helmet carries modern safety homologation, listed under ECE 22.06 for applicable markets, and Shoei quotes an approximate weight around 1,700 grams, depending on shell size. Beyond traditional features, Shoei has introduced a smart direction for the GT-Air 3 line. Integration with the Comlink ecosystem and optional smart additions that can include a visor-mounted HUD and integrated audio/mic hardware developed with eyelights, enabling AR-style turn-by-turn prompts, speed readouts, and call information while keeping the visor area uncluttered. Number 4. Sena Outrush 2. The Outrush 2 is Sena's modular flip-up helmet designed around onboard communications. This model ships with Sena's integrated comms hardware, Bluetooth 5.x, and mesh intercom compatibility, including mesh 3.0 support, plus high-definition internal speakers and a built-in microphone. Sena advertises P/J dual homologation, so the helmet is certified safe with the chin bar up or down, and it uses a lightweight ABS shell with upgraded interior materials aimed at comfort. Battery life and fast charging are key selling points for the Outrush 2, with Sena positioning it as an all-in-one solution for commuters and touring riders who want factory-integrated connectivity rather than attaching an aftermarket unit. Number 3. Ruroc EOX. The Ruroc EOX is a modern full-face helmet that leans on a quad composite shell construction. Carbon, nylon, fiberglass, and Kevlar to balance strength and weight. Depending on specification, weights typically fall in the approximately 1.55 to 1.65 kilogram range. Ventilation is engineered for effective airflow and stable performance at speed, and the EOX supports pin-lock-ready visors for anti-fog protection. Certification varies by region, ECE, DOT where applicable, and Ruroc positions EOX SKUS around premium styling and tech readiness. Certain core variants are built with compatibility for integrated comms and mesh systems like Cardo, and users can choose clear or smoked visors and accessory speaker packs to tailor audio performance without changing the helmet shell. Number 2. Sena SMH5. The SMH5 is Sena's compact universal Bluetooth headset and intercom module rather than a full helmet. It's designed to mount to a wide variety of helmets as a low-profile comms option. The SMH5 supports hands-free phone calls, stereo music streaming via A2DP, turn-by-turn GPS direction audio, and two-way intercom. Newer versions use Bluetooth 5.x and list intercom ranges measured in the hundreds of meters, with specific model variants, for instance, SMH5 versus SMH5-FM, offering different feature mixes including FM radio. The SMH5 is aimed at riders who want a straightforward, lightweight comms module that can be added or moved between helmets rather than buying a helmet with factory-built electronics. Number 1. Axor Altor. The Axor Altor is a regionally focused smart helmet collaboration marketed primarily in India, combining Axor helmet design with an integrated Altor Bluetooth and gesture control system. Retail listings highlight swipe and gesture controls, voice assistant support, turn-by-turn navigation, built-in microphones and speakers, and multi-hour battery life from a compact battery around 500 mAh, with music and call runtimes varying by usage. The system aims to offer hands-like control for navigation and calls directly from the helmet, with manufacturers positioning it as an affordable, feature-rich integrated option for riders who prefer not to fit an external comms pack. That wraps up our product breakdown. 5 helmets and comms units, each with distinct approaches to safety, comfort, and connectivity. Thanks for watching the Best Reviews channel. If you found this overview useful, Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more focused product features. See you next time.